Okay guys, today I'm gonna be doing my oil change for my 2017 RDX. There you go. I'm gonna do an oil change on this car. Okay. Drop the hood. Alright. We'll do the oil change for this one. Okay. Okay, let's get started. Take out this dipstick. Put it aside. Open the cap. Okay, let's remove the cap. That cap there. Okay, cut the cap off. Leave it there. Okay, that one is open. Okay guys, so I have the oil here. Mobile synthetic. It's advanced full synthetic, and this is my oil filter. I have the socket 17. All right, so I have all the stuff that I needed here. The filter wrench, so you can easily come off the funnel, and I have my pen here. So now I'm ready to remove the plug. Also have this paper towel ready in case lots of drippings. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I have to remove this plug here, the drain plug, oil drain plug. Alright. See, I don't know if this is tight or loose since the last time. Oh, it's loose. Okay. Now, so this is gonna be messy. Okay. I have to get ready. It's gonna be messy. Here you go. The oil is hot because I just used the car a while ago, and some of the oil drips on that floor, but that's not a problem. I can clean it up after. Okay, now I'm just gonna let this oil drain everything, and then later on I have to remove the filter. The oil filter is here on this side, right? Since I open up the cap up there, so it's easy to drain the oil. All right. Okay, there's the oil there. So it's dripping. All right. I'm just gonna let it drain. Okay, it's time to remove the oil filter. Here's the oil filter here. I got this filter wrench. Okay. Okay, let me take it out. Now it's loose. That will come off easily. Okay, I don't want this wrench to get stuck there. Let me just take it out, okay? Alright, now I have to move this pen over this side so it's not gonna be messy all over the place. Let me just put the paper towel here so it won't make so much mess. Okay, I think that should be okay. Now let me take this out. Alright, oops, it's dripping. It is dripping. Alright. Okay. It's messy. But it's okay. So this is the synthetic oil filter that I use. Oops, I spilled there. That's fine, I can clean it. Alright. Okay, I need to get my paper towel. Clean my hands. Okay. I just have to let that oil drip from there. At the same time, let me start cleaning this up. I don't want any dust goes in this area. Cool. That should be okay. Now, let me get the new filter. Stand by. Hey guys, I need to fill up this filter with the oil and then put some oil on this gasket. Okay, so I already fill up this filter. There's already oil inside. Now I'm gonna put some oil right here on the gasket. Now I'm ready to put it on. Okay, let's put on the filter. Since I cleaned it up already there, I'm good to go. All right. Okay. Well, as they said, do not over tight this filter, because otherwise next time it's gonna be hard to remove, right? Okay, just hand tight. That's it. I'm good on that. So now time to clean up the area right here. Too much oil. You don't want the oil drips in your driveway, in your garage, right? So clean everything underneath here. Good. Now let me get more. So I have the drain plug, and I need to put it back here. It's still dripping there. Now let me clean this up. Look at the washer. Still okay. Right? I'm not gonna change that one. Alright, make sure this one has no dust or sand. Now I clean this up. Make sure this one is clean. Okay, put it back on. Okay, take my socket. Okay, tighten up. That's it. It snugs a little bit and it should be good to go. Alright, so here is done in the bottom. You got the filter, oil filter, the drain plug on there. Alright, what is that? So, let's go to the top. Okay, it's time to put the oil in. Right, I have this magic funnel. Put it there. Okay, I always put a towel or a rag around the area, so avoid any mess and some spills. Okay, let me get the oil. Okay, it's time to put the oil. All right, here we go. I will put all of this since it requires 5.1 quarts with filter. All right, it should be okay. I have extra oil left over there. I can always add up since this is only 5 quarts. Alright, this one moves a lot. Alright. Okay. Okay, let me finish up. Remember, this car requires 0W20. Alright. Okay, add it on there. So take this out. Okay, then I'm gonna put the caps on. So this is the cap. I'm gonna clean it up. Make sure this is clean, no dust. Alright, clean it inside here too. Alright, needs to be clean. Now I have to put it back on here. Right. Okay, I have the cap back on. Okay. Go get the dipstick. Okay, so here's the dipstick. I'm gonna clean it up. Then put it there. So we gotta measure the level. Okay, put in there. Right. Now I'm going to start the engine. So I will just have to run the engine for a couple minutes, let the oil circulate, and then I will check the level of the oil. While I am waiting for the oil to circulate, let me check the air filter. There's the air filter here, and on the other side, see, I have to unscrew there, but I can just pull this one. I can pull it. You see, there's the air filter here. Make sure this one is clean. Well, this one obviously I need to change. It's too dirty. Alright, I'm going back to the store and replace this. Okay, that's not a problem. But this is obviously too dirty and need to be replaced. Okay, cool. Now I have to put it back. Okay. Alright. Let me rev the engine so that it will circulate the oil more. Oops. Sorry for the two. Okay, shut off the engine, and I'm gonna go check the oil. But you know what? Because the car is still in the ramp, I have to lower down. Okay. Okay, so it's time to check the oil level. I lowered down the vehicle off from the ramp. Now I need to check the oil level. Right? Okay. We'll see. Okay, you see it? I can see the oil here, meaning I'm good. Alright, so oil change done. Now all I need to do is to reset the oil life. Alright. Okay, let's go check the oil life there. Okay, it's time to reset the oil life maintenance. Okay, settings here. I'm gonna go to here, right? And then I will go to vehicle settings. There you go. Then I press reset. There you go. Scroll down. I need to get to maintenance info. There's maintenance info. Select. Oops, sorry. Go back. Select. Now let me go to oil life. Reset. And then I will select that one. Completed. So this will turn to 100% oil life. Alright, so that's it. It's been resetted. Let's check the oil life. Drive license, exit. Now let me see the oil life. So guys, this is already 100%. So this one is good for another 6-7 months since I'm using the synthetic oil. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye bye.